Giving and receiving feedback. Feedback is information about performance or behavior that leads to action to affirm or develop that performance or behavior. Purpose of feedback. How can we expect people to change and develop if they don't know what they need to change? Unless they get feedback, how do they know what they do well so that they can continue doing it? Feedback reality versus perceptions. Most people really want to know how they are doing. They want to know if other people like what they are doing. They also want to know if something could be done more effectively or if boundaries are being overstepped. Feedback is not an end in itself, a solution to performance problems or issues. Praise or blame, approval or disapproval. Evaluation means to place value on a performance or a piece of work, but feedback's value is neutral. It merely describes what you did or did not accomplish given a standard or intent. Derived from test, exercise, or stimulations, the activity being assessed is your normal work. You cannot get closer to real life than real life itself. Bro and Lay's Feedback Rules 1996. Timely, selective, balanced, suggestions rather than prescriptions, descriptive, specific or focused, avoid personal comments, avoid mixed messages, avoid diffusion, directed towards behavior that can be changed. Giving feedback. Timely, given as close to the event as possible, taking account on the person's readiness, etc. Selective, addressing one or two key issues rather than too many at once. Balanced, good and the bad. Suggestions, not prescriptions. Giving feedback. Descriptive, non judgmental, based on behavior, not personality. I notice that you don't look at people when they're talking to you. I think you're selfish in that you don't listen to anyone else. Giving feedback, specific or focused. In order to focus developmental feedback. Avoid personal comments, avoid mixed messages, avoid diffusion. Examples. You fool, can't you remember that I needed these accounts for the meeting yesterday? Surely, I need the accounts for 2 p.m. on Friday for the management meeting later in the afternoon. John, you always look as if you've just got out of bed, but your work is good on the whole. John, I would like you to take more care with your appearance in order to make a better impression. Some of you are not achieving your performance goals. You have to improve. Richard, you have not achieved your performance goals this week. Can we talk about it and work out some plans to improve? Giving feedback directed towards behavior that can be changed. I really don't like your face, your height, the fact that you're bald, etc. It would help me if you smiled more or looked at me when you speak. But before you give feedback, always ask yourself, what is my intention behind giving this person feedback? How am I feeling about giving it? How is the other person feeling? If they have had a stressful day, might be best left for another occasion. It is important they are in the right frame of mind to accept it. Both people should feel calm. The impact of feedback. The person receiving the feedback can react with anger. I've had enough of this. Denial. This reaction often accompanies with initial shock of feedback. I can't see any problem with that. Blame. It's not my fault. What can you expect when the patient won't listen? Rationalization. Finding excuses to try and justify their behavior. I've had a particularly bad week. Doesn't everyone do this? Acceptance. Renewed action. What type of feedback might you get? Written, verbal, individualized. Example, a particular assignment. Written, verbal, general. Feedback to your class. Example, on most common errors, successes on an exam paper. Checklist performer. Example headings of assessment criteria with comments below. Assessment with criteria grid. Showing where you are placed against each criteria. Model answers. Computerized. Example multiple choice questions. Off the cuff comments from others. Example you're really good at. Rules for receiving feedback. Listen carefully to what is being said. People should be receptive to feedback and see it as helpful. Don't reject it. Accept positive feedback. Don't reject it. Accept negative feedback. Don't reject it. Avoid arguing or being defensive. Ask questions to clarify fully and seek examples if useful. Acknowledge the giver of feedback and show his or her appreciation. The feedback may not have been easy to give. Involve mutual goodwill. Receiver should feel that the giver isn't their enemy. Giver needs to want to help receive develop. What to do with the feedback? It is up to you. Read or listen. Understand. Clarifications, examples and alternatives. Keep notes. Give it time to sink in and get into perspective. Try to keep feedback sheets, information together. Address areas for improvement. Identify, action, plan. Try not to feel devastated by small criticisms and try not to be defensive and make excuses.